Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to use string aggregate function along with group by class in SQL. So first I will show my table. This is my table. So here is the test rank is my table. So here you find cricket players names and their respective countries. So what is aggregate function? String aggregate function. So it is an aggregate function. So which used to concatenate the values of the column and make it in one string. So string aggregate function is very useful to concatenate all values as per your required delimiter. It will concatenate and make it as one string. So I will show one example here. So I want to make this country names together into one string from this table. So here I am using string aggregate function. String aggregate. So it will take two arguments. First one is expression. So expression is here nothing but country. And second one is delimiter. Delimiter I am taking here as comma. So I am giving alias name. So if you execute the query, you can see whatever all the countries are there in the table. So these are the countries and all these country names in the country column one single row. In a single row after concatenating as per your delimiter. If you want to change the delimiter, you can use, suppose I am changing it as a pipe delimiter. So you can see every country is separated with the pipe delimiter. So now this is the basic example of the string aggregate function. Now as per our requirement, how to use string aggregate function with group by class. So here the table, there are different countries are there and respective players are there. So some of the countries have repeated. I want to know country-wise aggregation. I want to know country-wise aggregation using this aggregate string aggregate function. Select. I am taking a grouping on country column. String aggregate. So here first see here expression and separator. Player name. So I want to separate separator. I am taking here as player underscore name from your table name. So this is a, since it is a string aggregate function, we need to use the group by. If you execute this one, it will throw error. It will throw error. So you need to use the group by class. So I am using group by class. Group by on country. So whenever there is multiple players, it will concatenate the player names and separated with the as per the given separator. Here I gave the pipe symbol. That's the reason these players are separated with the pipe symbol, but all these players are related to Australia. The same way you can see Indian players. So if I change this as a comma, then you can see the multiple values of the same column will be concatenated and shown as separator, given separator comma. So this is how you need to use the string aggregate function along with the group by class in your table. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.